Today is certainly a beautiful day to bring the Vietnam Moving Wall here to Morris County. You know, we have so many veterans here in Morris County, and to have this opportunity to have a moving wall here, to give people the opportunity to come and visit the wall who may not have an opportunity to go to DC is something special. And I can't thank everyone that's been involved in this project, County College, Home Depot, all the veterans organizations, the first responders, all the groups that came together to make this possible. You know, this was a dream a few years ago, and today it's a reality.
My name's John Riley from Morris County, Township of Randolph.
Spell your name, sir.
R-E-I-L-L-Y.
Okay. You're a Vietnam vet, sir?
Yes, sir.
When did you serve?
Served in June 1969 to June 1970.
Were you there for?
I was there for a one-year tour with the 101st Airborne Division in Vietnam. I served in the northern part of the country, what they call I-Corps, at a number of large bases and some smaller bases near the Laotian border with a 155 artillery unit.
Talk about your experiences there, John.
My experiences there were pretty amazing. I met some incredible people with the 101st Airborne. I was privileged to be part of that organization, one of the outstanding divisions in the United States Army. We were involved probably in the most active part of Vietnam when I was stationed there. A lot of action with the North Vietnamese and the Viet Cong in our area, trying to secure the routes coming in from Laos on the Ho Chi Minh Trail, and local areas which were being infiltrated into the city of Hue, which we were at a big base camp called Camp Eagle, where I was for a while.
Okay. So that was 1970 or so. You go, I guess, maybe 40 years after or so, when the original memorial was sent down in Vietnam. You've been there. I mean, down in Washington D.C. You've been there, of course.
Yes,
right?
yes. I've been to the Vietnam Memorial a number of times. Very moving experience to see friends of mine who served with me in the 101st and other groups from their name on the wall. It's an incredibly moving experience, and I'm sure this is going to be a moving experience here as well at the Morris County Community College.
Yeah. What does it mean for you and your other veterans, John, that replicas like this to be displayed on people that might not know anything about Vietnam?
What it means to us is we're honoring those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for our country, those who served with distinction, valor, courage, and honor. We honor their sacrifice, we honor their families, and we love this country deeply, and we want to remember them. We always do remember them. We will as long as we live. Guys who served with us, men and women, and we bless them.
John, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears what goes into putting stuff like this together. Your thoughts about all the volunteers and everything?
I'll tell you, it's been an amazing experience to put this whole program together. I give the County College of Morris a tremendous amount of credit. Senator Anthony Bucco, tremendous amount of credit. VFW Post, other organizations, many of them have been involved.
Good, I'm listening. Go ahead. I'm listening.
The groups, many and varied, all types of veterans groups, all types of community groups, townships, etc. Done a fabulous job putting this together. The organization is great.
Okay, John, what do you want someone to come away with when they're visiting this? What do you want them to come away with?
I want them to come away with respect for veterans, the sacrifices that they made, the honor that they served with, and the love and care of this country, the ideals and the people of this nation, which they were glad to they sacrificed their lives to do it. They would do anything for this country. They gave the ultimate sacrifice, and we bless them, and we remember them for all eternity, really.
Justice for the Vietnam veterans. Respect and honor for the Vietnam veterans. Not only the ones that died, but also the ones who lived. Start pulling out the panels. We're going to start at the apex. Once the first panel goes in, this is hallowed ground. There's no smoking. There's no drinking. Any sailors here?
Yeah.
Swearing, keep it to a minimum. But it'll be 2 people per panel. Do not place the panels on the ground. We treat it like the flag. My next stop after this is Iowa. Sumner, Iowa. I got a 1,100-mile ride to get there in 2 days with this. And it's 37 years. It's never ever knocking my soldiers missed a stop. And I plan on getting there. Hook or crook, I'll get there. Other than that, I'm going to need like 5 or 6 guys preferably 6 guys behind the wall with me to help erect it. Everybody else is going to carry. And it'll be 2 people per panel. You get Rick and Patty. They're going to designate what panels come out and keep everything in order. And you have to watch out because we're doing it from the back. You got to watch the braces that you don't trip over the braces, and it'll go pretty smooth once everybody learns what to do, especially behind the wall. The guys helping me. It's all thumbs for the first few panels, and then all the fingers start working. Anybody have any questions? No questions?
Let's do it.
Another thing that a lot of people don't realize, that this wall was built by the people. Like the wall in DC, it was built by private donations and donations from the people. And there's no corporate sponsors, there's no government grants, there's no government anything involved with this. That's why it's been going for 38 years, 37 years. The government doesn't have their hands in it.
There you go.
Thank God.
And that's the way John Devitt, the founder, that's the way he wants it. And this wall's been in every single state in the country. It's been to Saipan, it's been to Guam, it's been to all the Hawaiian Islands, it's been to Alaska, Puerto Rico.
How do you drive there?
Easy.
Hold your
Drive
breath.
right on the ferry and you go right around Canada.
Backstroke.
Yeah, you
Hold
don't-
your breath
you
and
don't drive from
punch
Canada.
down on the gas.
They don't know what the hell this is.
Oh, yeah.
But other than that, that's about it. Whoever volunteers for the 5 or 6 guys behind the wall, we got to do some stake pounding and some just holding and lifting, bringing up the braces to me, and it'll be easy.
Hey, got a red and black Hardly Limited out there with its flashers still up.
It's are in your hands that'll scratch the panel, put it in your pocket if you can take it off, and because they're very, you'll see the battle scars on it already from this season, scratches and little chip letters on the names from just carelessness. Other than that, let's go to work.
God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairie to the ocean, white and blue. God bless America, my home sweet home. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairies to the ocean, white with gold.
My name is Emerson Crooks, and I'm EMERSON.
Where you from, sir?
I live right here in Randolph.
Okay, Emerson, I understand you're instrumental in bringing the wall to the area. Tell me about it.
Yes, this wall means more to me than words can say, because my squad members are on this wall, and I have the passion for every year I go to DC with a group of my Marine friends to visit our comrades that are on the wall. And it's always an emotional experience. So being able to bring this wall to my town where I live a couple of miles away from here. It is a very moving experience just to have it this close to my home.
You're a Vietnam veteran, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I was in
When did you serve?
I served, what year?
When did you serve, sir?
I was in Vietnam, 68, 69.
And some of the names on the walls here, that there are people that you associate with that you knew?
Yes, particularly one gentleman, Mike Poliquin, who, without Mike, I would be on the wall. And so Mike played a very important role in me being able to stand here today. And so this is what it means to me.
What do you think people are going to come away with? Maybe not, young kids and everything that know nothing about Vietnam or anything. What do you think they're going to come away with?
Well, the hope is that the magnitude of what they'll see here, that it'll be solemn to them, and the amount of folks that's on the wall that are similar to some of their ages. I always point out that I was only 19 years old at the time that I was there, and most of the folks that are on here, I'm not sure too many of them are older than 25.
What would you say to all the people, all the volunteers here that are taking part in this?
Oh, to the volunteers, like the Home Depot folks and all the folks that showed up to help to make this happen. I can't thank them enough. And what I notice about all of them is that they came here with the passion that made me comfortable that they would not just walk away and leave us in the middle of doing this project. And it was very comforting to have them here doing this.
Emotions run high, I'm assuming, right? Sir?
Extremely high. Emotions run extremely high, especially for me. I'm not sure I'll be able to get this close to the wall during the whole season. I'll probably come here at night so that folks won't see me cry.